Hello and welcome. This is the Robert Morris University class ORGL4850, the Organizational Leadership Capstone course. This is the final leg of your journey. I'm Professor Stevens. I'll be helping you through this. It may look daunting, but I assure you I'm here to help you get you through it. It is not my first rodeo. I've taught this course several times, and I will make sure every one of you gets through this class with flying colors. Some of the specifics of the course: it's mainly built around the playbook project, which is 270 points, and we build up to it. We take the first 5 weeks of this class building up to it. It'll take you a long time. It's going to take 100 hours on average to put the whole thing together. That's from now up until the end of week 5 when the project's turned in. If you have a question on it, please do not hesitate to ask me. I cannot stress that enough. Do not hesitate to ask a question. Because of those questions, we are going to utilize Blackboard Collaborate. It's part of the Blackboard shell. We will use it weeks 2 through 5, starting the second week of the course through when the playbook project's due in week 5. I do have an extra week 6 session booked just in case we need it for anything. They're designed to answer all of your questions. This almost works like an online classroom session for this class so we can discuss things. If you cannot make the sessions, they are recorded. You can go back to it later. We do these on Monday nights from 7:30 to 9. They usually do not last that long. Sometimes they do. Sometimes they come nowhere close to that. Be advised, if you come in late and there's nothing going on, we might be done already, and you cannot access the recording until after the set time session is done at 9 o'clock. So if we come in at 7:30 and we're done by 10 after 8 and log in at a quarter after 8, there won't be anything on there till 9. Don't be afraid if there's something not going on. And I'll use the following slides to show you where to find the Collaborate tool in the course shell. You're on your front page. This is the announcement page, just using the shell. So first place you're going to look is the Tools area right here. Once you click there, you go to the next screen. When you're in your Tools area, you'll look for the button that says Blackboard Collaborate. Click that. Click this ahead of time, ahead of the first session, to make sure you have the proper software downloaded to make sure it works for you. Once you enter Collaborate, you're going to hit the Join Room button, and that will set you up into the online area. Each week tab each has their own session as well. So weeks 2 through 6 all have their own one with a button set up to it that should take you right to this screen. As for the playbook itself, there are separate instructions in several different sections of the course shell. You can find folders listed with playbook instructions, and you can download the full instructions, which will outline the following sections. Section 1 of the playbook is the title page and has the exact formatting and the instructions for how this is to look. Page will be one page. Page 2 will be your table of contents. Section 2 will be your introduction page, which is basically word for word what is written in the instructions. And also, your table of contents page will pretty much look like this slide by the time you're completed with it. Section 3 is the project overview. Again, the verbiage is written in the instructions for how that page should look. Section 4 is outlined in Why Smart Executives Fail, and it is the 7 myths and their corresponding truths. I will give you a hint on this. They are all found in Chapter 1, and if you go past page 8 of the book, you've gone too far to try to find them. And that's why they're not listed on the slide, because I'm making sure you guys listen to this. I've had people skip past them. Again, if you go past page 8, you've gone too far. Section 5. This will be the longest section of your playbook. Revelations and the danger signals and why smart executives fail. You will have 5 of these in total. They'll be from chapters 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of the book. One from each chapter. You will follow the Roman numeral outline that is outlined in the instructions to help you get through that. Section 6 are the danger signals in your organization, and you will have 2 of these. They'll be in the same exact format as Section 5, going down through with the alphabetical format. And then you also have, Roman numeral format. You will also have to do a PowerPoint presentation, do something elaborate and have a recording like this one, but you will have a PowerPoint to illustrate what you're talking about in your danger signals for your organization that must be embedded as part of the playbook. And then Section 7 is using the Art of Leadership book. You'll go down through 4 different sections, one outlining the vision, the ethics, the Deming way, and the 3 elements for effective discipline. Again, these will also look like the other danger signals from Section 5 and Section 6. And that'll take you through the entire playbook. You'll end up with what can be anywhere from a 30 to 60 page document, but again, you'll go page by page. And the first 3 sections are the easiest. 4, just have to make sure you have the right information from the book. And then 5 and 6 and 7 will build you up to, because that'll be a lot of the other assignments that are in the course. You found this assignment in the Start Here tab. There's other things in there, the tools will help you through the course. The APA reference list. This is every book to be used or it can be, not necessarily will be, used in the course. Because as you know, you are to pull all your other reading material from the entire course into this. It will. These are exactly as they should be in APA. You will not have to research anything. Use this list. You will not lose any points for your APA citations your reference list at the end of your assignments. The APA sample paper is also listed there. This is a fully outlined, sets you up for every paper you will turn in. That's not the playbook that we'll be doing this course. And has the exact formatting of your cover page, your headers, and everything else, so you do not lose any APA formatting points. And then my personal favorite is the Terrible 10. This is I include this in all my courses. This is grammar and spelling mistakes that are most common, and I take points off of these, especially at this point in your educational careers, so you make sure you get these right. This will help you avoid these, and you can take them going forward as well. On the APA, I'd like to give you a word of warning. The playbook uses its own unique formatting. It's outlined in the instructions of what you'll be doing. It's a shorthand for all the references and all the titles of all the books. Do not use the shorthand in your other assignments. Use regular APA. The shorthand is permitted, however, on the discussion boards. I don't need you to write out why smart executives fail every time. You can use the shorthanded abbreviation of the titles. That'll help you for your typing because there will be several discussion boards and practice boards and assignments that you use, and you can get used to using the shorthand then. Finally, if you have questions, ask. Email me, call me, flash the bat signal. I will answer. Chances are 1 or more of your classmates will have the same questions. That's why we do the collaborate sessions. You guys, time and time again, people want to know the same things. They get stuck with things. So I try to answer everybody. I'll even use these as announcements. I'll anonymously post your questions with my responses. I'll do everything I can to get you guys through this course with a passing grade. Good luck, and we'll see how this all goes.